Hey guys, it's Dima from Demostech, and today we're checking this. And you remember my air duster that I used, which died? You probably have seen the shirt. Yeah, it died, and I need a replacement. Here it is. Let's go and see. You know how it works. It is Xiaomi, but it's not Xiaomi, the usual stuff. There is nothing for Xiaomi here. It's not a branded one, so yeah, it's just a different style. Let me just take everything here outside. I did already use it a bit just to check that it works, because I had some issues with the previous one when I first bought it, and as you've seen, the second one died as well. Here it is, and you know, it's the usual, no really manual, just stupid photo with some Chinese and a bit of info. This thing, as you can understand from this, can be also a vacuum cleaner if you connect it to the other side. There is like a filter. This thing also can come with multiple filters, and sorry for the dirt, but yeah, already used it a bit just to clean here the room, just to check that it actually does something, and as you understand, it does. Is it good? Well, it is. I mean, don't expect it to be like a full-fledged vacuum cleaner, but hey, it works. I mean, you can grab this thing and it will work, and I'll show you in a moment. So yeah, I guess this is our target. Let me try to first of all do like this. Sorry for the noise. There are a few modes. 1, 2 and 3. And boy, this thing is cool. So as you understand, on one side it blows there, on the other side it intakes, and you can change this thing to however you want. I don't know why would you want this in intake, but yeah. The outtake is where the button. I need to remember that myself, but you've seen it. And if we connect it back, we can see that it powers on with a USB-C, which is here. At the bottom, here is actually just a light, just an LED, stupid LED that will show you if it's charging or not. Honestly, it's not even understandable when it is charging or not. So, first power, I guess. Yeah. In order to close it, I think you need to go through, to cycle all of them, and that thing ended up at the end of my table where some box stopped it. Yeah, it's kinda strong. I mean, I can't say if it's stronger than the previous one, but it is strong. One thing that I actually can try that I've seen in some video is someone trying to show how strong it is by actually showing you how much grams it can push. So I'm just going to hold it, I guess, at some height, and let's first of all clear that, and let's just try to sort of center it. Currently it's 0 grams. 66, 90, 91, 120. So about 120 grams. Is it stronger than the other one? I cannot know. Is it a Xiaomi one? I cannot know. Probably not. It doesn't have any brand on it, and Xiaomi would probably at least put some sticker or something. It is all plastic. It feels okay, but it's not like a highest quality or something. And there are regular Phillips screws. If you want, I can even try to show you one day and disassemble it. Hopefully we'll not get to it. Let me try to, I don't know, dust something. I don't want to get here really sticky or something, but let me try to find something to actually dust. Thank you for watching this Tech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.